this video, we're going to be talking about conditional statements and some related statements to the conditional statement. So if your original conditional statement is P implies Q, then there are some related statements that you can make based off of that. So if your conditional is P implies Q, then the converse is switching the order. It's Q implies P. So this would be if Q, then P. Something called the inverse is when you negate each of the pieces. So it's still the same order, P is first and Q is second, but they're both not. So if not P, then not Q. And then the last related statement is the contrapositive. Notice that the order is switched and they're both negated. So we have put the Q first and we have negated them both. So if not Q, then not P. So for any conditional statement, you can write the converse of the statement, the inverse of the statement, and the contrapositive of the statement. So a couple of things. A conditional statement and its contrapositive are logically equivalent statements. So that means that the conditional statement, if P then Q, is logically equivalent to the contrapositive. If not Q, then not P. So those are logically equivalent. Similarly, the converse and the inverse are logically equivalent as well. So the converse and the inverse are logically equivalent as well. So we're going to be given some statements and we're going to try to write each of the statements using symbols and in words. Okay, I won't be able to fit it all on here, so let's just start here. Use the simple statements P, it is raining, and Q, there are clouds in the sky, to answer the following. So number one, write the conditional statement using symbols. So that would be P implies Q. If P, then Q. Write the conditional statements in words. So P is, it is raining. So this will be if it is raining, comma, then Q, there are clouds in the sky. Okay. Number three, write the converse using symbols. So the converse is when you switch the order. So this will be Q implies P. So if Q, then P. So write the converse in words. If Q, so Q is there are clouds in the sky. So if there are clouds in the sky, comma, then P, it is raining. Okay, number five, write the inverse using symbols. So the inverse is P first, Q second, but it's negating both of those. So that would be not P implies not Q. So not P implies not Q. Okay, so write the inverse in words. If not P. So P is it is raining. So if it is not raining, then not Q. It, not it. Then there are no clouds in the sky. So the not in front of the raining and the no in the statement are the negation of P and Q, respectively. Okay, number seven, write the contrapositive using symbols. So this is when you switch the order and you negate them. So this is not Q implies not P. So this would be if there are no clouds in the sky, then it is not raining. Which statement is equivalent to the conditional statement? The contrapositive. So remember that the conditional statement is always logically equivalent to the contrapositive. This example and some of the definitions above were taken from the Math and Society textbook by David Lippman. It is an open, free resource. So if you would like some more explanation or examples, please check that out.